Look at those. Those are absolutely fabulous seats there. Palms here. Ooh la la, what a fabulous looking place that is. Steps here. Up to neon palms. Super busy up here. So just on the opposite side now here, the music's so loud. See if we can show you the inside seating area here. Very nice looking place inside here. And then just turning around from the seating now, we have a beautiful seating area on the other side. Camera now. There's quite a few customers inside there. And there's the inside seat. Hello, how are you, brother? Here's the inside seating area here. Just take you across and show you some of the stuff in here. So there's a name, Felix. Some very nice artwork in there. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in this evening's video for you is a street walking tour from Seminyak Village shopping mall through to Motel Mexicola. So along this section of street is going to be featured in tonight's video. Obviously the starting point is Seminyak Village shopping mall, which is a fabulous mall in itself. Also has a fabulous restaurant there called Baked right at the main entrance to the shopping mall. So I'm going to make my way from the shopping mall. I'm going to make my way to the end of the street of Jalan Kayu Jati, turn left and walk all the way through to Motel Mexicola. So as I'm walking along that section of street, I'm going to take in all of the restaurants. I'm not too sure whether there is any actually hotel accommodation, but if there is, I shall pick them up also. All of the tourist goods shops, boutique style shop, and just give you a general idea what you can expect along the pathway leading to Motel Mexicola. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night street walk here in Seminyak. Okay, so there's the Seminyak Village shopping mall directly in front of the camera there. This is a Baked on the corner here, fabulous restaurant that I've featured that in a video. So just along the street here we have some typical tourist goods shops just on the right there. I'm just going to cut across the street so we can get a full view on this. So we have Uma and Leopold, Bossman there, with a restaurant next door also. So Uma and Leopold is a ladies boutique style shopping clothes shop. Nice clothes in there. Here we have Bossman. Looks very popular this with the Gojek drivers for pickup and things. So it has some fabulous burgers here. There's a few customers waiting inside here at Bossman. There's some sat inside also. So just from Bossman there, just right next door, we have a place called Sisterfields. A few customers in the front there. Doesn't look too busy inside. Zoom in over across the street. Okay, so just continuing on now, we're going to turn left in a moment. First of all, directly in front of the camera, we have a place called Grilled Healthy Burgers. It's a big impressive place in front of the camera now. There's quite a few customers inside there. We'll just see if we can take you inside and have a look. So we'll just turn to the left first of all. So we have some customers sat on the terrace here at the front by the road. Some nice seating on that side also. Here's a lovely staff here. Hello. And then we just take you around and show you inside. A beautiful seating area inside here. There's a bar area in the back there. Really nice seating area all to this side also. So just continuing on from Grilled Healthy Burgers now, we have a tourist goods shop on this side. Some of the shops are actually closed. We'll just take you across and show you. So it's just typical tourist goods, this. Decorations for the home. Ornaments, some necklaces and things also in there. Lots of like little boutique-y style shops along this section of street. And another one here, The Dong by J. Coyle. It's got a nice collection of ladies' handbags in there. Some ladies' sandals. Ooh la la, some nice handbag. Also sells a bit of a mixture, this shop. Sells some teapots and cups. Very nice, unique cup there. Erica Penner next door there. Another ladies' clothing shop. Some nice stuff in there. All of our typical tourist goods shops as well along this section of the street. In the back there, we'll just cross over. So we have another tourist goods shop there again, selling sports shirts, sunglasses, handbags, etc. And Blue Rose Day Spa here. Hello, how are you? Just next along the line we have the Mini Mart convenience store. We have a place called Paradise Bar here. Just next door to Paradise Bar we have a Circle K convenience store, another tourist goods shop. It's very interesting, this place. Nice colourful lighting as well. Nice inside seating area there. Hello, how are you? Yes, we're just from Paradise. We'll keep walking along the street here. And more tourist goods shops here again. Bless Shop, this one's called. Has a big collection of sports shirts in there. All in the top there. He's also got some sandals here at the front. Nice collection of the bags, some hats. So a few of the shops are already closed. We're approaching 9 o'clock. A place here called Ricky Shop, special bags and perfume. There's a name on the door. Got a big collection of ladies' handbags in here. Very, very nice. Some more on this side also. And some belts as well. Some sandals. Many different things in there. I have Ali Tura here. Another nice looking shop this. It's like ladies' clothing again. Some nice ladies' clothes in there. Ladies' handbags. Ladies' sandals. Yes, how are you, brother?
I'm very good, bro.
It's got lots of handbags in there. Just continue walking down the street. And a few tourists now walking along the street here. Okay, so I just switched the camera off for a moment there. It's a little bit darkness, that street. I have more boutique style clothing shops here. Also tourist goods shops again. Football shirts, handbags, trainers, you name it. It's all in these shops here. Another nice shop here with some nice bags again. Very unique designs. Beautiful with the feathers. Some normal ones. Many beautiful handbags inside there. Some dream catchers. Galaxy wholesale and retail. And a place called the Butter Beats here. Ooh la la, very, very unique. Has some denim plant holders here, right at the front. Wow. Is it okay, yeah? Nice seating area here just by the roadside. Oh la la, when you look at these. Nice chairs as well with the jeans there. Wow, fabulous. Oh my gosh. Look at those. Those are absolutely fabulous seats there. All along the back of the bar there. There's a bar in the back as well. All the lighting. Different light fit. Just turning around from the seating now, we have a beautiful seating area on the other side. So I just want to zoom in. Sorry, the mood changes on the tables there. Switches to the red. Wow. So it's got different colours for the different times. Beautiful. Fabulous. So just from the Butter Beats there, we have Lotus Massage and Therapy, Seminyak, that's just in the back there. Hello, good evening girls. Sorry. Just walking along the street. Taxis are going very fast there. We have Turta Bali Ink Tattoo Studio. It's going into a little bit of a darkness again, and then we're coming to a restaurant. Okay, so just down from a tattoo studio in the street there, we have a place called Waku Nasi here. So we just show you the inside garden area here. Entrance here. A beautiful beanbag seating area here. All of the seating in the back there also. So that's like the rear entrance. The main entrance is down here. It's actually a very, very big place. It's called Wakul Nasi this. There's quite a few customers inside here. I actually have copyright music on. The kitchen's just to the left. Looks good. And there's the inside seat. Hello, how are you, brother? There's the inside seating area here. Very, very nice. Just from Wakul Nasi now, we'll continue going down, walking down the street. So we have a bit of an empty section of street again. You can see there's quite a few tourists though walking along this section of street. Okay, so just down from Wakul Nasi now, we have an art gallery here. Felix Art Gallery this is called. Very interesting looking place. Just take you across and show you some of the stuff in here. So there's a name, Felix. Some very nice artwork in there. Very unique bags. Some picture paintings. Nice artwork on the wall as well. Little fish earrings, ooh la la. Wow, so beautiful. So just next to the art gallery, Felix Art Gallery there, we have a place called Putri Ubud Day Spa here. Some customers inside there now. Looks like a man and a woman having a massage, or two ladies. There's different treatments available here. So just down from Putri Ubud Day Spa there, we have the Prima Hotel here. Very impressive looking building this. Very big structure that. And then now we're approaching Motel Mexicola. This is the one of the liveliest night spots. Absolutely fabulous place this. There's some villas as well down here. Villa Aqua, the Dusun. All down that side street there. So we have Momo Batik Bali on this side. Ladies boutique clothing shop. Some nice clothes in there. The Bottle Avenue Beer, Wine and Spirits across the street there. Utopia Bali, not sure what that is. We have Momo Batik, that's in the back here. Looks like a kids clothing shop. And then here's Motel Mexicola. Absolutely fabulous, fun place this. It's usually very, very busy, very full inside this place. Just on the opposite side from Motel Mexicola, we have Juanita Swimwear. It's like ladies swimwear in the back there. We have Kaleidoscope here. Loud music coming from Motel Mexicola. Let's continue walking down the street now. I'm going to just go to the corner down here. Motel Mexicola has parking for motorbikes in the side there or in the back there. See, there's lots of people walking down the street now. We have the Monkey Shoulder here. So just on the opposite side now here, the music's so loud. See if we can show you the inside sitting area here. Very nice looking place inside here. Just from paradise there, hope you can hear me, the music's so loud. We have neon palms here. Ooh la la, what a fabulous looking place that is. Okay, I'm just going to try and take you into the neon palms. We have the door entrance here. Just walk up these steps here, up to neon palms. Here's the upstairs seating area. Very beautiful. Super busy up here. So busy. The decoration on the wall there. Nice on the ceiling. Just from neon palms, we'll just take in one more place. This is the last place now along this section of street. It's a place called Shrimpis. It's like a shrimp restaurant. This is the main entrance to Petit Tengen Beach here, and that'll be heading round towards Jalan Petit Tengen. Lobster Day, 50% off. Seating area out the front here. Seating to the side there, and then we have a beautiful restaurant inside there. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my night stroll along the street of Jalan Kayu Jati here in the Seminyak area of Bali. So as you saw with the camera in tonight's video, you've got some very nice looking restaurants all the way along the street there. Shame some of the shops were closed. I think there's going to be quite a few boutique style shops as well along this section of street. There was still some open, so there is boutique shops on the street, tourist goods shops, and then right at the end of the street we had the beautiful places there, Motel Mexicola, the Paradise Place. All looks very interesting nightlife there, and then we had the Neon Palms place also. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you get the opportunity to pay this street a visit, especially if you're staying in the Seminyak area of Bali, and I shall say bye for now.